Hello my friends, I am Thierry and I am going to speak today about bearings and shims, and I am interested personally by bearings because as one of my hobbies I like to play with radio control cars, and inside the radio control cars you have different mechanics and the bearings are quite strategic pieces and it is not obvious to find the different bearings available, and most of the car providers sell bearings at very high price, and the fact to go to a bearing factory is very convenient if you have the correct bearing with the correct size to have a competitive price. The website I'm going to present you is called Kugelager Express. There is a minus express at the end, you see, and then there is this E for express. And this is a very nice German website. Just notice if it is by default in German, you can switch to the English by going here, and I will remain in English like this. And they offer a lot of different parts that are available. Here you see ball bearings, roller bearings, strike rollers, etc. They explain in detail in their website what are the difference. They have also some YouTube videos. They have also some shims. And to get the shims, you go in all categories, then accessories, then shim rings. Here. And here, what is very great about this website is that they have different views to search for your items. By default, I think you have a list like this. So you see there is different views. There is a list with a different diameter. But me, what I like when I invite you to use is a data table. Because in fact, with this data table, you can search and filter very efficiently. For example, if I look for a shim where the internal diameter is 4 mm, I type 4 here, then press enter, and here I see the different choices. So there is a 4 times 8 times 0.3. The way you read this is that the first number is the internal diameter, so the hole, then the second number is the external diameter, so the part outside, and then the third number is the thickness. So you see they have shims, and one of the characteristics of the shims is to be very thin, 0.3 mm, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm for 4/8, 0.5 mm. If I come back to the bearings table, ball bearing, show ball bearings, here they have different bearings, and they have also miniature deep groove ball bearings. This is very interesting if you are playing with a radio control car. They have an exhaustive documentation on their website that I invite you to look at. And then at the bottom of the page, you have another data table where you can look for your bearings. So for example, let's say I am looking for a bearing with the internal diameter of 8 mm. I type 8, enter. And then here you see all the choices. So they start with diameter, external diameter of 22. Okay, you can order here. So here I have ordered with the external diameter increasingly for a given internal diameter of 8. So they start for 8 times 12 times 3.5 mm of thickness. Then here you see on the end there is other pages, you see 150 entries. And here for example I have a bearing 8 times 12 for a 3.5 thickness. If I want, let's say 8 times 15, here 814, 814, 814, so they do not have 15, so they do not have exactly all the dimension. I think they could enhance their own portfolio, but here you see for example 8 mm 16 for a 5 of thickness. And for each of the bearings you have the different casing. Some are here what is important is you should look here the way it is protected. You see the ring material, it is stainless, chrome, steel, so they are totally transparent with the content of their bearings. And what is important when you make a bearing selection is the type of seal. When the type of seal, you have different kinds. You have what is 2RS, and you can click on the item number to see the details. Here I have, for example, a miniature ball bearing, and you have here the detail. You see the internal diameter of 8, you see the external diameter of 12, and the thickness of 3.5 mm. And what is great is that they decrease quite fast the price, depending on the number you take. Here, for example, I have one, but if I put, I have one for the price of 487. If I want 5, then the price is already decreasing. So I'm going to add this in the basket. Okay, go to basket. Then I'm going to validate. Go to basket. And they offer a PayPal payment. This is very convenient. And this is the order I have already sent on the Kugelager Express website, where you see all so there is some shims here. And there are some ball bearings too. Ball bearings, 8/16 So one more time, when you read this is the internal diameter times the outer diameter times the thickness. And they are extremely fast. I have sent the order on one day in the morning. On the second day in the night, I have received the order. For in my experience, it was less than 48 hours between the order and the reception of the package. And I'm going now to show you what I have received, make some measurements with the caliper to challenge if the dimensions are correct. I am very satisfied of my customer experience with the Kugelager Express website. They have other products that I have not spoken about here. And make your order now to go on Kugelager Express to obtain your bearings now. So you can see here the invoice I have received, and they deliver it in a very nice little package where you see all the dimensions. I have added manually the dimension of the bearings because they do not come with some dimensions written, but the shimmings come with dimensions written. You see here, there is 10 pieces of the shims, 4 times 8 times 0.2. So one more time, the way you read it is the internal diameter times the outer diameter times the thickness. For the shims and the bearings, the rule is the same. This is the specification of the shims. The shims are there here to equilibrate some mechanism with a very tiny little thickness so that all the mechanics are correctly aligned in some differential, for example. And for the wheels of the cars, I'm going to make some measurements with you with this caliper. You will see, and we will challenge it to see if the dimensions written is correctly what I am going to measure. So I'm going to make the measurements with the smallest bearing that I have received, the 4 nines, 4 times 9 times 4. So the way you use the caliper is that you move like this and you have the number which is in millimeter, and the dimension here correspond to also the dimension here between these two peaks. So this is used to measure the outer part of the bearings, and this is used to measure the inner part of the bearings. So I am going to test the 494. So internally I am expecting a diameter of 4 millimeter. And here you see exactly 3.94. So it is almost 4 millimeter. The number after the point, it is the tenth of the millimeter. So very acceptable for the measurement. And I am going to measure now the outer part. Outer part is 8.99. So 9 millimeter. Okay. And now let's measure the thickness. 4 mm of thickness for a label of 494 exact. This is perfect. I am very satisfied with these measurements. So I have already measured all the bearings. I will not show you all the measurements. I will just make a measurement of one shim. And let's take this shim of 8 times 14 times 0.2 mm. So here the internal diameter is showing a diameter of 7.98, which is perfect. The outer diameter is 13.8, so almost 14 millimeter. Yes, almost 13.9 for expected diameter of 14, which is correctly totally good. And the thickness now. So they are written for a thickness of 0.2 mm, and indeed the caliper shows a thickness of 0.2 mm. I am very happy with this. You see, they have very good stuff calibrated. They have a very good quality process inside their brand. So all the parts correspond to exactly the expected dimensions. They are very professional. So I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of Kugelager Express and you have enjoyed the presentation of their products. Don't hesitate to go visit their website. They have incredible good products. Write me down in the comment what do you think about this review. Tell me what currently are your projects and why you use bearings. Bye!